We here at Cranbourne East Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respects to the elders past, present and emerging.
We would also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect.
We welcome you to sign along with Auslan as well. When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen for what is coming up next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Hi everyone. Today we'll be congratulating one of our house captains, Casey, for making the state rugby team.
So Casey, can you tell us how you made the state rugby team?
So at the start we did a trial for a game to see who would make it on the team.
So where and when will this rugby tournament start?
So it will happen in New South Wales, and when we leave is probably on Saturday, and the first game for our team is on Sunday.
So how are you feeling and how do you think it'll go?
Excited and nervous at the same time, but there's going to be big people in this tournament, and I hope I do my best.
So congratulations on behalf of Cranbourne East Primary School.
And we wish you all the best and can't wait to hear how you go.
Thank you.
It's time to get your thinking caps on for another Mrs. Wrigley's riddle. Here we go. What can you hold without touching? 10 seconds thinking time. See if you can work it out. Alright, the riddle was, what can you hold without touching? The answer is your breath. Well done if you got that one right. I'll see you all again next week.